Hi, hello everyone. This is Mr. M. Welcome back to our ACT SET preparation series video. This is part 3. If you would like to watch part 1 and part 2, please subscribe this channel and watch those videos in the library. The first question today is: the lead of a screw is the distance that the screw advances in a straight line when the screw is turned one complete turn. If a screw is 2.5 inches long and has a lead of 1/8 of an inch, how many complete turns would get it all the way into a piece of wood? So this is asking for the number of turns. Here we have the length of the screw is 2.5 inch and the lead is actually 1/8 of an inch. So to find the number of turns, you can use the equation length of the screw, length of the screw over the lead of the screw, the lead of the screw. So this is what we are going to use here as a formula. So then calculation is very simple. It is 2.5 inch over 1/8 of the inch, that is cross multiply 2.5. This is actually a mixed fraction. We need to make this, or we need to convert this into an improper fraction for the easiness of the calculation. That is 2 times 2 is 4 plus 1 is 5. So the numerator is 5 over 2. Our denominator is 1/8. So the calculation now is 5 over 2. Multiply the reciprocal of the denominator, that is 8 over 1. You can cancel 2 and 8, that is 4 times. 5 times 4 is 20. 20 over 1 is 20. That is the answer. So we have the option 20. That's the right answer. Moving on. Here we have xy is given. Xy, the product of two terms, is 144. This is an algebra section of the problem. And you have x plus y is given as 30. So the product of two terms is 30. Sorry, product of two terms is 144 and sum of two terms is 30. It is specifically given that the first term is greater than the second. We need to find what is the difference between those two. Okay, so this problem we need to approach completely in an algebraic way. Use the identities. So the first identity you can use with the available source. We can write x plus y to the power 2 can be expressed as x square plus y square minus plus 2xy. So that is the first identity. So here we know that what is x plus y. X plus y is 30. So this is 30 square equal to x square plus y square plus 2 times xy is 144. 30 square is 900 equal to x square plus y square plus 2 times 144 is 288. So from this x square plus y square can be 900 minus 288. Okay, so the answer is x square plus y square is 900 minus 288. You can use calculator. You know which are the calculator versions are allowed in your ACT exam. So use the calculator. So what is 900 minus 288? that is 612. So you have the value of x square plus y square, that is 612. Now we are going to use, we actually need to find x minus y. So use that identity. X minus y the whole square is x square plus y square minus 2xy. Okay, so you know what is x square plus y square is, that is 612 minus 2 times xy is 144, that is 612 minus 288, that is 324. So x minus y the whole square is 324. Therefore we are looking for x minus y. So to find x minus y, you need to take the square root of 324, that is 18. So we have the option 18 here. So that option is the right answer. Okay, so this is actually the application of identities. It is easy to find. And next is a trigonometry problem. Which of the following is the sine of an angle, sine of angle A in the right triangle below? So here we have the right triangle given. This is the right triangle. A, B, C. This is 5, 12, 13, 5, 12, 13. So we need to find the angle A, sine of this angle A. So just refresh your memory of trigonometry. Sine is, sine of an angle A can be write as opposite side over hypotenuse. So here the angle we are considering is this A, so its opposite side is this, so that is 12 over hypotenuse is always across 90 degree, that is 13. So sine A is 12 over 13. So this is the right option. So if you need to get more videos on this trigonometry and those sections, you need to watch the channel, and there are multiple videos based on trigonometry there. You can watch all videos over there. And next is a fundamental counting principle problem. If you want to watch a fundamental counting principle, what is fundamental counting principle and some examples, you can check the video of fundamental counting principle in this channel itself. So the problem is this: Ding's Diner advertised this daily lunch special. Choose one item from each column, only $4.95. Thus each daily lunch special consists of a salad, a soup, a sandwich, a drink. So how many different daily lunch specials you can make or possible? So that is actually calculating, or you can calculate that possible number of combinations. You can use the fundamental counting principle. The fundamental counting principle is actually giving you an idea about the total combinations. The total combinations, okay? The total combinations is equal to the product of number of items in each section. Product of number of items in each section. This is actually the basics of fundamental counting principle. So look here, in salad section you have 1, 2, 3 pieces, means 3 items available, times in soups you have 2, onion and tomato, times in sandwiches 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 items, and in drinks you have 1, 2, 3, 4 items. So 3 times 2 6, 6 times 5 30, 30 times 4 120. 120 is the answer or the option. So we have 120, that's the option. We are moving on to the next problem. Next is a geometry problem. it is asking the volume of the right circular cone. Okay, we can deal little bit of geometry here. So let me draw this properly. Okay, so the geometry piece is here. We have the right circular cone. The volume of the right circular cone with radius r and height h shown below can be found using the formula v is equal to 1 by 3 pi r square h. V equal to 1 by 3 pi r square h. A cone-shaped paper cup has a volume. The volume is given 142 cubic centimeters. So you can replace V with 142 equal to the height of, and the height is given 8.5. So replace height in this expression 1 by 3 times pi times r square times height is 8.5. And what is the radius to the nearest centimeter of the paper cup? So we are looking for to isolate this r. So easy process, cross multiply this 3, this 142. So simplifying, so that is 142 times 3 equal to pi times r square times 8.5. When we are isolating this r piece, r square can be write as 142 times 3 divided by pi times 8.5. So that is 142. You need to find the product between those two. That is 142 times 3. 142 times 3 is 426. 426 over pi. The value of pi is 3.14. You know that. 3.14 times 8.5. That is 26.69. So now you need to find the ratio. 426 divided by 26.69. That is 15.96. So this is r square. So to find r, you need to find the square root of 15.96. That is approximately 3.99. So we are saying that it is equal to 4. Rounding this to 4. So look for an option 3.99 or 4. So we have the option 4. That's the right option. So that is the answer for this question number 5. We are moving on to the last question of this part. A boat departs Port Isabel, Texas, traveling to an oil rig. The oil rig, so this is the port location. The oil rig is located 9 miles east. So this is north, south, east, west. This is the location map. So 9 miles east. So this is 9. And 12 miles north of the boat. So this is the 12 mile. Okay, this is 12 mile. And we need to find about how many miles is the oil rig from the departure point. This is the departure point and this is the oil rig. So this distance, you need to find this distance. Okay, so use the Pythagorean theorem. So to find this distance, x can be write as x is equal to square root of 12 square plus 9 square. That is square root of 144 plus 9 square is 81. That is square root of 225. That is 15. So the distance is 15. We can look for an option 15. Yeah, we have an option 15. So that is the right answer. Okay guys, thank you very much for watching this video. For getting the next part of this ACT series, please subscribe this channel. Thank you very much once again. Don't forget to share this video. Thank you.